Hello and welcome to this short Numeritas guide on how to use the index match functions in combination and its use for financial models. In this example, we have a number of different inflation scenarios which could be applied. In order to allow the user of the model to easily interchange the applicable inflation rate, we can use the index and match functions. The match function works by searching for a selected value in a range. To do this, we first need to type the function in. The first argument that appears is the lookup value, which in this case is the selected inflation. We then select the array we are looking for the value in, which in this case is in column C. Finally, we can type 0 as we are looking for an exact match. Best practice is to wrap this function with an if_na function in case there is no input in cell F13. The index function uses row and column numbers to return a value in a range. In this case, we have been given the row number through the match function. The first argument to fill in here is the array, which in this case is the range of inflation rates for the period. We can lock this on the rows but not the column, as we will be copying the formula across. We then have the row number, which could either reference the match formula or we can type this in again. We will type it in again for this purpose so we have the full formula in one cell. The column number will be 1, given there is only one column selected. For best practice, we would just refer to the helper cell rather than repeat the formula, as this makes the formula easier to read. In larger models, this can help calculation speeds, as we avoid the longer formula being repeated across the timeline. Another best practice point would be to wrap the formula with an if statement to check the match is not equal to 0. This avoids a spill error if the input cell were to not be filled in. Now we are able to change the selected inflation to be applied, and the curve will automatically be updated in row 25. I hope you found this video on the index match function helpful. Thanks for watching.